Good morning. My first day back at the studio today. It is beautiful in Toronto now. Yesterday was 25 degrees suddenly. So I realized I hadn't turned my heat off here because like the other day it was like still going down to -2 at night. So I just quickly did that. I don't have my AC yet installed in the studio, but I will have to do that soon. I've got a busy day today, 3 clients. I'm just getting tidied up and ready. I need another coffee because I'm tired. Sweetie Nail Supply, at the time of filming this, is having a sale, 30% off sale, so I'm going to be placing an order in a day or two for that. Mostly restocking, and then I think I'm going to buy those D-gel painting gels I've been talking about for like the last million years. But I also just placed an order last night on Canadian Nail Supply, I can't remember, for some new e-file bits. So I'm literally spending a small fortune this week on nail supply stuff, but it's all like restock stuff that I need to buy. Still kills my soul a little bit just knowing I spent like $500 on e-file bits last night. So I just finished up with my first 2 clients of the day, but before my second client of the day came in, I started to pop off some of my nails using, because it was the Jello Peel Off Base Coat. And they're not looking too hot. I just have a feeling that the Jello is best suited for like regular gel polish and not necessarily a builder base or anything of that sort. Because yeah, it really pulled some layers off. I'll show you, hang on. So like, they're a little wet. I just washed my hands, but like, it's done some significant damage. You can see the end of my nail is really thin. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to like remove these pieces and then file it down a bit. And then just apply the 1 kill remover, because it's like, I don't know. I just don't want to cause too much more damage, TBH. Hello, happy Friday. So just my first client of the day. We just did a solid color, and now I don't have another client for 2 hours, so I'm gonna do my nails. I ripped them all off with the Jello last night. They're in rough effing shape. But yeah, so I'm not gonna apply Jello this time. I'm just gonna go for regular gel because my nails need help. And Jello is not the vibe for me, apparently. But yeah, so I'm gonna do the color changing gels, just solid color, literally not doing any art. Like, I'm just really excited to try them out. So I'm gonna do that. Other than that, nothing too exciting going on. I have another solid color in a couple hours, and then I have 1 art appointment this evening, and then I'm off tomorrow, which is super fun. I'm never off Saturdays, going to my mom's house, so looking forward to that. So I'm just gonna get on. I'm not gonna film me doing my nails solid color because, you know, it's not very exciting. Hello, happy Sunday. I just arrived into the studio a little bit early. I usually aim to be here like a half hour before, but I'm here 45 minutes because I have some cleaning up to do. Last night I installed some curtains with the help of my mom, which they don't look good right now. They look nice regularly. And I can already tell they absorb a lot of the echo in here, which is nice, and my neighbors will probably thank me for that. But I have some random stuff to put away, so I wanted to get here early. And also, can you see on the floor all the dog hair? I don't know if I already mentioned this, but my mom is the new owner of a dog. Yeah, I think I mentioned this. my step-grandma's dog. So my step-grandma unfortunately passed away, so my mom is now like very much officially Max's new mom. So Max was here yesterday, just while we were installing the curtains, and originally I was going to do my mom's nails, but she has to go to my grandparents' house to like kind of sort through all that and get the house listed and stuff like that. So I didn't end up doing her nails, but I'm like still kind of set up and ready otherwise for my client today. But yeah, the floors are a nightmare. It's Thursday. Got a cute new jacket on. Got it from Diesel the other day. Got it from the Diesel outlet. And I'm very excited. Also thrifted this bag. Also very excited. I got a parcel in. I just went to the post office to pick it up. It's from Canada Nail Supply. I'm still awaiting my Sweetie Nail Supply order, which I'm excited for. I also got some new little blind box things because I'm an adult. Got this little My Melody. Got another little Skull Panda baby, which Skull Pandas are my favorite. And then got this guy. I was hoping for a pink one, but I got a yellow one. So I gotta go put those in the medicine cabinet in the bathroom. I think I'll put My Melody out on my other shelf. She fits in with the theme. But I left in a bit of a hurry the other day because we had to go to my mom's house to pet sit for her. So I have a bit of cleaning up to do, which I normally don't like to do. I'll leave myself with cleaning up before clients arrive, but that is the situation. Okay, let's see what I got from Canada Nail Supply. Also, I picked up a few things from Michael's. These little stars that are going to use as charms, and then some clear resin. It's like it says it's a gummy resin, so I'm curious to try that out. Okay, first thing, I got some Erica's ATA sandy bands. I got these little like charm things. They're supposed to be like cat eye shifty vibes, which they kind of are. Kind of not. Young Nails Gloss Gel. I love using this for chrome. Really caps everything in. I got some stickers, which I've never been like much of a sticker person, but I'm starting to like using them. These are like unicorns and rainbows. Cute. These ones I was particularly excited about because they're a bunch of dog faces. I ordered 2 packs of those apparently. And then these are just some Old English letters, which I can paint these. I'm not really sure why I ordered Old English letters. Anyway, and then this is where all the money was spent, really. Oh, I also got a white chrome because they haven't had one of those. So I'm gonna have to test this out because I have a client that wants this. Or I use it. Okay, so what did I get? I got 2 Gel-X bits, 2 T-Rex bits, and 4 nib bits. So let me literally pull out all of my bits right now and throw them in the garbage. See all this? Hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of bits. Time to hit the trash. Okay, so I finished my first client. Set was super cute. Went home, had lunch, and then the postman just showed up with my molds. Very excited. Let me show you which ones I got. First, we have assorted bow sizes. Very cute. Then we have these little square rectangle situations. They're supposed to look like stones. Fun. And some bats, which I already know my client Zoe is gonna want these because she's a Halloween girly. And then got some crosses and some hearts. Lots of hearts. More hearts. These hearts are like, can't really tell. They're like the diamond vibe. So they have facets, which is fun. Got some skull and crossbones. These are just little tiny ones. Speaking of little tiny ones, little tiny gummy bears. Now, if you know my gummy bear situation, you know how ridiculous this is. I have like 200 gummy bear charms that are all massive. And now I ordered this to make gummy bears, but I can make little tiny ones, which is cute. And then stars, tons of stars. I'm excited about that. Tons of hearts. Also excited about that. They're like rigid edges, which is fun. And then the one I was most excited for, the reason why I placed this order, Tamagotchis. So my client texted me saying she's gonna be about 10 minutes late because she said traffic's really bad, which now I'm fingers crossed hoping that she's a little bit later than 10 minutes late because I'm gonna spend the next, when is she supposed to be here? She's technically supposed to be here in a half hour, so 40 minutes. So I'm gonna make some charms while I wait for her. That sounds like a great use of time. I'm listening to my audiobook. Listening to, what's it called? It's something about a seance. It's from the author of The Lost Apothecary, which I also listened to and really liked, and she just put out this new book, so I'm listening to that. So far so good. Don't listen to that. Hello, and it's Saturday. I just had one client in for a nail fix. She broke off one of her nails in her car door. Sounds terrifying. And then broke off another nail. We don't know how. But so I just had her in and we just did a fix. And then I was supposed to have a client right after her, but that person unfortunately had to cancel due to illness. So now I have nothing, which is crazy. So I'm just sat in my chair. I just filmed a little voiceover for my camo nail set, which that will already be live long ago when I post this video. So I just did that and now I'm gonna go home. I came in early today because last night I left. I wasn't finished my client until like 9:30, and Pat had already made dinner and it was waiting for me, and so I left and I didn't clean anything up. So I came in early this morning and cleaned everything and cleaned all my tools. So I'm really like all ready to go for tomorrow. So I'm gonna go home. I did a big bike ride this morning inside, like a 35K. So I'm a little tired. So I'm gonna go home and I'm going to eat my leftover lasagna and work more on this YouTube video, get it uploaded so I can post it live tomorrow. And edit, I'm partway through another vlog, so editing it for YouTube. So I'll get that going too, I think. And then I gotta do some cleaning because there's always things to clean at home. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day off, now that it is a day off. And look forward to a busy day tomorrow, 3 appointments. Busy Sunday. Hello, happy Sunday. I've got a very full on day today. 3 appointments, which I usually don't have that many on a Sunday, but I do today, and that's all. I think the first one's solid color, the second one is tier 1 art, and then the third one to be determined. She booked in for solid color 'cause that's what I had time for, but it's her birthday now, so I told her if she wants art, we can do art. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun day today. I'm looking forward to catching up with some of my clients because I haven't seen some of them in a long time and they've had life changes. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly make a coffee. I didn't work out this morning because I didn't have a very good sleep last night, so I'm A, tired because of the bad sleep, but B, tired because I also didn't work out, and that gives me so much energy. But I did, Pat and I just went for a walk, which was really nice because it's a very nice morning today. Hello and welcome. It's Thursday? No, it's Monday. I have 2 appointments today. The first one being a mystery mani, the second one being interesting. My client and I are going to attempt to embed RFIDs / like LED lights in her nails. I'm excited. I'm currently getting paper towel out of the closet. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try that. Very curious as to how it'll work out. She found these ones that are like, and by the way, this is like her thing. Like, this is like what she does for work. This kind of like tech stuff. I'm like letting her basically guide me through this experience. And I'm just going to encapsulate these things in her nails. So I'll show you how that works out. Hoping that it works out great. The only thing is like these are her items, so I'm just concerned that people are gonna want this after. And I'm gonna have to say no, which that's fine, I will. I was just thinking about how nice it is because I've been working out so much that I'm so much less tired now and I drink a lot less coffee, but then I was thinking about coffee and I was like, I want a coffee, so I'm gonna make myself a coffee quick. And my client should be here in like less than 10 minutes. I just finished my client's nails. They got the cutest fucking things you've ever seen. Those clouds sculpted with the sissy clay. They were so fun to do. They took forever, of course, because you have to sculpt those little itty bitty things, but I'm obsessed with the cat stickers. I don't know. I can't help myself right now with cat stickers. So I'm just gonna really get cleaned up. My next client isn't in for about an hour and a half. So I'm gonna eat my lunch, which is actually Pat's leftovers from the other night. And I'm gonna watch Sex Education while I do that. Just chill. And then I get ready for my craze the next appointment with those LED light things.